The internet, a vast interconnected network. It has revolutionized our lives, connecting us in ways unimaginable before. But what we see, the social media, the news sites, the online shops, is just the tip of the iceberg. Lurking beneath the surface is a hidden world, shrouded in mystery and whispered about in hushed tones, the dark web. Imagine a city. You have your bustling city center, well lit and familiar. That's the surface web. Then there are the quieter back alleys, accessible but less known. That's the deep web. Finally, there's the underground, hidden from view, accessible only through secret means. That's the dark web. The dark web is not for the faint of heart. It's a place where anonymity reigns and where the lines between legal and illegal blur. It's a place of secrecy, danger, and intrigue. A digital Wild West where the rules are different and the stakes are often much higher. To understand the dark web, we need to understand the structure of the internet. Think of it as a three-layered cake. The top layer, the surface web, is what most people know. It's indexed by search engines like Google, making it easily accessible. This is where you find your everyday websites. The middle layer, the deep web, is much larger but less visible. It comprises sites not indexed by standard search engines. This includes private networks, databases, academic journals, and even parts of your online banking. Then comes the bottom layer, the dark web. It exists on overlay networks requiring specific software like Tor, the onion router, to access. Tor encrypts your connection, bouncing it through multiple relays worldwide, making it nearly impossible to trace. This anonymity is a double-edged sword. The dark web has gained notoriety for its association with illegal activities. The anonymity that protects users also shields criminal enterprises. Darknet marketplaces have become infamous for selling drugs, weapons, stolen data, and even offering illegal services like hacking. These marketplaces function like digital black markets, using cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin for their untraceable nature. The dark web also provides a haven for cybercriminals. Hackers use it to trade exploits, sell malware, and coordinate attacks. The anonymity makes it difficult for law enforcement to track them down. While the dark web harbors a dark underbelly, it's not all doom and gloom. It can be a valuable tool for good, offering a platform for free speech and information sharing in oppressive regimes. Journalists and activists use the dark web to communicate securely, bypassing censorship and surveillance. Whistleblowers can leak sensitive information anonymously, protecting themselves from retaliation. The dark web also provides a platform for marginalized communities. People facing persecution based on their sexuality, religion, or political beliefs can connect and organize without fear of reprisal.